Hi, welcome to another tutorial on CapCut Mobile. So today we're going to learn how to add a blur background to a video. So first, as usual, when you are creating a new project, let's say you have already created a project and you have any video in any aspect ratio. For this video, I'm going to use a portrait aspect ratio video for the example. But let's say you want a landscape version of this. All the steps are the same. It will apply to any type of video. Let's say you want a landscape version of this. All right. And currently, hold on, let me change the landscape. Yes. So let's say the aspect ratio that you want is landscape, but then you don't want these black backgrounds at the side. So what you can do to add a blur background is you don't have to click on the video, just right under here, you scroll to your left. Sorry, you scroll to your right until you see background. Then you tap on background. Then you see color image blur. Then you just tap on blur. And then you have 4 options, any one you can choose from. So you can also apply to, or when you have multiple videos that you don't want any black background, you can choose to use apply to all, and it will apply to all of them. For more tutorials like this, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to learn next on CapCut Mobile. For a CapCut desktop tutorial, check out the video below.